In this estimation problem, you're asked to estimate the total weight of garbage thrown out in 1 year by a family of 2 adults and 2 children in the United States. And again, this was not something we know the exact answer to. It's an estimate. It's a Fermi type of question. The method I'm going to use is to do a calculation that produces the weight of one bag of garbage and then multiply that by the number of bags thrown out in 1 week and then multiply by the 52 weeks in a year. So garbage, kitchen garbage bags, kind of an average size garbage bag in the United States would be a 13-gallon bag. That'll be one thing that'll help us produce the weight, a volume. And weight is mass times 9.8 meters per second squared. But I'm going to handle mass or weight in a little different way. On the Earth, if we can find the number of kilograms, we would multiply that by 2.2 pounds per kilogram, and that would give us the weight in pounds for the garbage. How would we get the mass? Well, to get the mass, the number of kilograms, we're going to take the volume times the density for this bag of garbage. So let's start working our way on that. In this first parentheses here, we have the volume calculation, 13 gallons. Switching this to the metric system, 3.8 liters for 1 gallon, and then 1,000 cubic centimeters for 1 liter. I'm headed this way to produce the volume in metric units, and then we're going to take that volume times a density. And I'm guessing here that the density of a full bag of garbage is 0.2 grams per cubic centimeter, so this would float. My estimate is that it would float. It's less dense than water. Water's 1 gram per cubic centimeter. And then I'm going to switch to kilograms from grams with this conversion factor. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So let's slide up here so you can see how the calculation goes. In the parentheses, 13 times 3.81 times the 1,000 times the 0.2, then times our conversion factor. You should perhaps pause the video and multiply these 5 factors together and do the division, of course, here. And I came up with 9.88 kilograms as the mass of one bag of garbage. I'll straighten that out for you a little bit here. And then again, using the conversion factor, and that's not a exact conversion factor, I'm approximating here, 2.2 pounds per kilogram. So I come up with 21.7 pounds for one bag of garbage. Perhaps slightly high, but again, in Fermi estimation type problems, you don't know the true answers. You're estimating. Well, the total mass then, if we have the mass for one bag, 9.88 kilograms, we're going to throw 4 of those bags out a week for trash, 52 weeks in a year. So a little over 2,000 kilograms of mass of garbage. And then for the students in English unit countries, such as the United States, 2055 kilograms, roughly 2.2 pounds per kilogram. And I'm rounding off here. 4,500 pounds per year is my estimate for the weight of garbage thrown out by a family of 4 in the United States. So a Fermi estimation problem, you break it down into factors, you guess where you need to guess, and you come up with an estimate. If you want to do some other of these problems, I have a playlist on YouTube, and you can easily access an index to my YouTube videos at this website, Physics Here, Astronomy Here. I do not collect email. I do not collect names, no personal information. It's all free. I hope you keep practicing working physics problems.